How do I fix my computer's audio or sound when it's not working? 8 solutions on how to fix it. Just follow me. Let's go from step 1 to 8 step by step. Options number 1. You should check if it's plugged into the right audio jack port. Look for the one with the headset logo and put it there. Or move it behind the PC. When a Realtek audio console pops up, it means your headset is connected. Options number 2. Check the output devices one by one to see which one's working. Select output device and check by clicking volume if working. Check all one by one. Options number 3. Select the correct output device to default. Select Realtek HD audio output with the headset logo and click Set Default. Whenever you plug in your headset, Realtek HD audio will automatically be used. Options number 4. Check Realtek software to see if your headphones are connected. If you don't have Realtek software, I have 2 videos on how to install Realtek software for MSI and Gigabyte motherboards. Link in the description. Go to Device Advanced Settings. Turn this off and this on. If something is highlighted, it means a headphone is connected. Try to reconnect and select headphone. If still not working, proceed next option. Options number 5, check for Realtek driver update. If the Realtek driver available to update, download and install, and restart your computer. Options number 6, change device installation settings. Select No and save changes. Options number 7, performance logs and alerts set to automatic. Open services. Find performance logs and alerts. Change to automatic delayed and click Start. Options number 8, troubleshooting audio. Open Settings. System. Troubleshoot. Other troubleshoot. Click Run. And wait until your audio is fixed. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.